Hey Josh, this is Larry Powell with Circle P Marketing. We had talked on the phone earlier about me shooting you this screencast. So I just want to go over a few things with you guys today and give you some pointers on how you could increase your guys' rankings. So looking at your website, first thing I would definitely recommend would be content. There was a recent study done. There was over 1 million websites in this study, and they found that the #1 ranked sites oftentimes have at least 1,850 words on this homepage. So getting some content on this page about services you guys offer, or anything along those lines would definitely help you guys out. Next thing I would recommend would be to put a contact form on this homepage. The easier you can make it for potential customers to get a hold of you guys, the better. And along that same note, making your phone number a little bigger. I would put it somewhere down in this area and making it click to call. Oftentimes people these days are searching for plumbers off of their cell phones. So making it super easy that they can just click on that number instead of trying to remember it, and just connect with you guys right off the bat. That would definitely help you guys out with your conversion rate once you do get people to your website. Going through, you guys do have a fair amount of pages on here. Definitely like that. I'm actually a Crestwell guy myself. I was born in Cottage Grove and raised in Crestwell, so definitely would love to help you guys out with this kind of stuff. But looking at your website, I have you guys currently ranked at 43rd for Plumber, Eugene, Oregon. And I know you guys are based out of Crestwell, but I did see that you guys were using that verbiage somewhat within your content. 43rd for Plumber, Eugene, Oregon. And again, that's going to be where most of your customers are coming from, is this bigger city rather than Crestwell. So kind of looking at your website, so that kind of covers everything for the on-site, what my recommendations. But really a big part of what websites go off as far as rankings wise is it's called backlinks. And how backlinks works, it's kind of like a high school popularity contest where you have the coolest kid in school who says that maybe somebody who's less popular is cool, and in turn it makes his popularity come up as well. And that's how websites rank. So you have site A that links to site B, and in turn you get some of this backlink juice to site B, and it helps with the rankings. So looking at your guys' site, you have 6 referring domains, and that means that 6 different websites are giving you guys a backlink where you're mentioning your site on it. 4 of those are do follow, and the do follow part's really important because that's how you're getting that backlink juice. So with 4 of those being do follow, there hasn't been a lot of backlink stuff going on your site. You guys do have decent metrics here. So what this is it's based off of the websites you're getting these from, which in turn makes these numbers go higher. So you have okay metrics here, but we'll kind of compare it to the competition. You can kind of see, how that compares to what everybody else is doing. So again, 6 referring domains with 4 do follow. Kevin Cohen is the #1 ranked site for plumbers in Eugene, Oregon. They have 65 referring domains with 43 of those being do follow. So, they're, substantial, number of backlinks ahead of you guys, but don't worry. That's definitely something you could pass those up, and you get those referring domains and really boost you guys up in the rankings up and past that. Peterson Plumbing is the #2 ranked site. They have 48 referring domains with 16 of those being do follow. Content-wise, Peterson has a decent amount of content, and Kevin Cohen has a ton of content on there, so really increasing that content would help you guys out. The last thing I wanted to cover with you guys today, we'll go back to page 1 here. So I know you guys have a Crestwell address, and this Google Maps pack is a huge opportunity for you guys. These are all based off of Eugene plumbing companies because they have these Eugene addresses. And with you guys having a Crestwell address, it's hampering you guys and not being able to be in this. So my recommendation would be, whether you know somebody or you have a P.O. box or something in Eugene, getting some citations, which a citation is a listing of your business that is the name, phone number, and address. So getting a separate location set up that you can hide the address. It doesn't say you guys actually work out of Eugene, but just to allow you guys to get into this map pack would be huge for you guys. Looking at citations for what your competitors are doing, Ready Rooter and Chapman Plumbing, Plumbing Works is 53. So you got Plumbing Works here, they have 53 of them. Peterson Plumbing, they have 49. You guys do have 21 citations, but it's just all listed for that Crestwell address. So if you guys were able to get, whether you know somebody who lives in the Eugene area or you're able to pick up a P.O. box, getting that separate GMB or Google My Business location would definitely be huge for you guys. But, you know, that's kind of my recommendations for you. You know, if you get into this top rank spot, you can kind of figure on capturing about 33% of the search volume that comes in for people searching for Plumber Eugene. And then you get into this map pack as well. You guys would really corner the market, and I think you'd have a real big uptick in your overall leads coming in. So if you have any questions on any of this, feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you more. Thanks.